namin si Kaden ngayong hapon. Ulap ngayon. Tapos mahangin. So, medyo malamig pero tama lang. Sana ganyan lang, yung maulap lang. Huwag nang umulan. At sana mabawasan din ng konting hangin. Sobrang hangin. Ganyan din kanina umaga, hindi na ako nakapag-video. Yan lang. Oh, Ella, how are you? Good, good. Oh. What's that? Oh, someone backing. The school bus is backing. Okay, let's go. Hey, look, it's Tito Clean. Don't run. Come on na.
A few moments later.
Yan, nasundo na natin si Kaden. Yan, naka-short na siya. Oh. Short! Sana isa lang na nagkasya sa kanya. Hindi na nagkasya ibang short niya. Napagkaliitan na. Sarap kasi ng kain eh. Yan, madaling pakainin. Pakainin ng kanin. Isang hirap. Kani dyan. Puro tinakapay. Now, you both win.
One eternity later.
Ayala. Sundo lang natin. Yan. Eh, bigay ako ng ano para popsicle ni Ella bukas. Ayun, gusto niya yung popsicle. Oh, wait lang. There's a car. Okay, let's go. Popsicle.
I want to go there by
Oh, there's a line. What color?
blue and pink.
Okay. How many lines do you see?
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Say bye-bye na. Ella, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ay, 3. Okay na, mamaya na lang ulit. Yan sir, walang kaagaw ngayon. Sa school ni Kaden. Mahangin na naman ngayon. Oh, the kids are coming out na. Okay, come on na. Go play. Ito. What? To come up? Okay.
Yes, one only. You cut it,
What's that? For cleaning Tito's poopy? I a little poopy. I'm just
So, ayan na yung alaga namin, guys. Nag-aamoy.
I got the one little bag. I am little.
Oh, just hold that bag.
Open.
And then you're gonna pick up his poop, ha?
Yeah, mommy.
Ella will pick up the poop. Oh, let's go now, Tito.
Let's use this in case, okay?
Yeah. Oh, you hold hands together. Go. Halika na.
But I didn't walk still. I can.
Eto guys, balik tayo dito sa magandang neighborhood. Guys, ganda ng sky, no? Ay, may dog din doon. Look at those dog, oh. Ang lalaki nila.
Not there. They're supposed to walk here, not there.
Yeah.
Not there.
Di ka na, Tito. Yan, sumusunod na siya.
So what's
Okay, let's go.
there to there?
May puan naman din dito. Ay, Starbucks agad do, $1. Starbucks!
Mommy, when you see me, we can buy Starbucks?
Not now, kasi nga, bawal si Tito doon. Ah, Tito.
Let it go. I'll stop.
Let's go back.
No!
Ay, ayaw pa nila.
I want to go there.
Ay,
It's not dog.
there's a big dog naman kasi. O, Tito, poop ka na dyan. Dadakutin ni Kuya. Kuya Kaden will pick up the poop.
No, I don't want to go pick up the poop. No, you pick up the poop in the throwaway. First, yeah, just make it believe that. Then put your hands inside. Then pick up the poop. Then
What will I do? Make it baliktad?
yeah, make it believe that. Then put your hands on the wind with the open hole. Then pick up the poop.
Oh, teach me, show me how to do it.
Okay.
When Tito is pooping, ha? When Tito
Like
poops
this.
pala.
I'll show you. I think I need to do. So, 1, 2. So,
Ika dito.
open this bag. Hey,
Uy,
help
put
me.
it in your pocket na lang.
Aw.
Mamaya na, show it to me later when Tito poop.
Wait, I just need to. I want to do it.
You want to pick up the poop? O yung babait naman ng mga tiyanak na to.
Wait, I just want to eat it.
Tito, may ano dyan. May kuto ng damo.
Cut.
Halika na.
Okay.
Tito.
And then this is pat. Mix.
Hmm.
What are you doing there? Mommy, what are you doing there? Hello, Tito. Why's Tito there?
Tito ka muna. Let's go na. Uy, wala na yung dog. Ah, doon yung ano nila. Oh, doon sila nag-walk. Kaden.
Oh yeah, let's follow that so you see what.
Nagkapahapa. Tika na. Ikot naman tayo. Sige.
He doesn't know how to walk now.
Yes. Marunong na. One time lang eh. Uy, Tito, mag-poop ka na ah. But he didn't eat yet, right? Mahirap to pag winter.
Then we have a good start. All then if you use it to drink, you need to mix some of the
Let's go na, Tito.
on the side of the pot and cook the curry and you the curry. Then you use it as sturdy to hold it. And
Oh, you hold Tito and I'll take a picture of you. Tito, come here. Ay,
I will do it.
Tito,
I will do it.
wait lang. Let's press first. Tito. Oh, press it na lang. So it will be short. Okay. Ay, natali na ako. Lakas ng
Nakakatid
hangin.
lang namin kay Kaden, muulan. Kaya mga naka-raincoat sila. Ngala. Huh? Run. Slowly. Ngayon maulan talaga. Hanggang mamayang alas 5 ang ulan. Mula alas 8. Si Ella. Oh, Ella!
But I want to go
Say
to
hi.
fire school.
Oh, next time. Hi, it's Ella. Well, purple raincoat. Wow. What are you doing? Art. Wow. 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 What are you doing? Art. Wow. What are you doing? Dito muna kami sa sasakyan. Medyo maaga kami ng ilang minuto. Kaysa magantay kami ng ano, sa labas lang. Na, kuya. Na, Ella. Ha? Knock, knock, knock. Hmm? Ow! Ow! Ano, huh? They're going to wait a little bit more, huh? Because it's raining outside. Hmm. Hmm. Say bye na.
Bye!
One eternity later.
Nandito tayo sa base. Kakasundo ko lang kay Ella. Re-refill kami ng tubig. Si Ella ang assistant. Siyang tigapindot. Tigapindot?
I got popsicles.
Popsicle.
I got popsicles now.
1, 2, 3.
Ouch!
Ouch! Re-refill tayo ng 3. Naubusan na kami ng tubig.
Wow!
Mas mura dito sa Sobeys kaysa dito sa Sabon Food. Dinadaan ko na lang to. Sinusundo ko si Ella dahil malayo ang Sobeys sa amin. Hello! Hello!
Listen.
It's a warning.
A few moments later.
Kaya manununto naman kami kay Kaden. Mukhang umulan na naman ulit. Pero tumigil. Oh, heart? Ah! Heart! Come on, get and sit.
Butterfly!
Butterfly?
I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards.
Mana?
I'm going this way.
Ako. Up na. Up.
Backward.
Yeah. I'll go put in your seatbelt. Put your seatbelt. Oh. Antok pa ako. Hello.
Ah, my heart.
Butang seatbelt.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No. I need some more.
Oh, you can sit.
I almost did it.
Okay. Okay. You did it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's you. I know I need to do this.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
One eternity later.
So, yan. Trinay ko yung bili ko sa Costco. Budol na naman to. So, eto, tinatry natin ang siopaw na nabili ko rin sa... Saan to dahil? Superstore, no?
Superstore.
Yung Marvin siopaw na nasa Saskatoon dati. Dinideliver na nila dito sa Regina. So, ang ganda nung steamer, 'di ba? Tawag dito box niya. Infuse. So, may ganyan pa siya, oh. Patungan. Para kung malaki, 'di ba? Or maliit, kaya pa din. Akala ko, sabi ko, ay, ano kaya to? Tapos yun, nakita ko. $9.97 lang siya, guys. Kung meron sa inyo to, dali, punta na kayo. Pag magluluto din ako ng leche flan. So, kaya, meron ako maliliit. Kaso nga lang, pasira na. 3 years na din, di ba? So, yan lang ang story ko for the day. Way daw, para malaman kung luto na ito, try nating tusukin. At kung may dumikit, hindi pa. Parang sa puto lang din. Okay na. Tusok-tusok lang. Daming tusok. Para sure. Yan.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, lalabas kami ni Tito. So, naiwan yung tatlo. Tara na, bilis. Halika na. Ngayon ako. Ayan guys, excited. Wala, Pinipigilan ko siya. Wait lang, masyado kang excited. Bakit parang may hahabulin ka? Huwag masyado. Excited ka. Kukuha pa tayo ng plastic. Ayan, inaamoy-amoy niya muna. Mag-poop ka na dito. May nag-stop na sasakyan. Akala ko may kasalanan kami ni Tito. Ang sabi niya lang, binuksan niya yung bintana niya. Cute daw si Tito. Eh, may alaga din pala siyang dog. Wait lang, ikot tayo. Come na, Tito! Brown yung kanya. Ewan ko kung anong breed. Na-sold na dun, guys, na bahay. Yun o. Condo type to. So, may condo fees. Tagal naman tumain ito. Uy, dito ka pa talaga. Diyan ka pa talaga, ha? Sa Silver Oaks. Sige, amuyin mo lahat. May kumakahol na doon na aso. Galit na galit lang. Galit na galit lang, Tito, no? Lang si Tito, wapakels. Hinahanap niya pa yung spot niya. Kung saan siya magtatanim ng bomba. Tito, let's go! Halika na! Guys, naka 30 minutes na kami. Until now, wala pa din. So, mag-8 o'clock na ng gabi dito. Hala ka. Oops, hanggang dyan lang. Balik! So, mas maganda nung nakaraan. Kasi may araw.
One eternity later.
Ay, success na ang pagtatanim niya ng bomba. Nalinis ko na din. So, tara. Balik na tayo. Tara, Tito, balik na tayo. Papakain naman tayo ng ate at kuya. Hi, Inday. Pabalik na tayo. Sana naman napagod ka na, no? Para tulog ka na lang.
The father of the family, his name is Daryl. Mother is Joanne, and she is my friend. Their daughter is Ela, and she